Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I install these faux locks and also how I take them down. As you can see, they are very old. Like, I know you can see the crest from when I did my edges. So now they took me about 3 days to do, but then again I did them extremely long, so that is a reason why. I also apologize for the dog barking in the back. That is my roommate, and he has dominance problems. They've been in for like a month. I do have a lot of growth, so I will be demonstrating on this lock because I had just put it in a ponytail and it's starting to slip out, as you can see. And I don't glue or burn mine, so I just wrap it and then I wrap it really tight and tight. So starting off, regardless on if it's slipping or not, it all comes out the same way, for me at least. So I just go down and there we go. It just separates your hair. It's the same color just about, which is why I decided to go with this color. So we start by taking the lock apart from the twist, just by gently pull down at it. Don't do it really like near your roots. Just because, like, for mine in particular, I did 3 different pieces of hair and I don't glue or burn them, so it's really easy to maybe pull it out. I don't really have a problem with it coming out either, so that is a pro of this. Don't you hate it when you just are out and you look bummy, and you have protective style in, but you can't really make it work because, like, it looks so old. Everybody knows that it's time to take it out. Well, with faux locks, people be like,
"Oh my gosh, Ariane, is this your hair?"
Like, somebody had thought that this was actually my hair, and I was like,
Girl, no.
ah. If you see me looking down, I'm looking down at my mirror so I can take this out of my roots area. And it's very important to always remember to be very gentle with your hair. Like, you don't have to be so rough to take it out. Okay, so you find that loop that you had put that crochet hook through, and then you pull your hair and all the fake hair through again, and then gently pull on the fake hair to get it from out. So this is the hair that I use. It's called X-Pression Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist, and the color is 2T1B/30. I like this because it's already pre-fluffed out and it's already separated for you. I feel like it's the best hair to use to give you natural faux locks. But I already tried faux locks. This is my 3rd time doing them on myself. So the first time I used like already pre-made faux locks, and it was not giving what it was supposed to give. Like, it did not look natural. It was shiny. Like, my roots, it's a problem. Like, it did not look natural at the roots. So I was like, okay, no more crochet pre-made locks, at least for now, until I find better ones. And then my 2nd time, I did only black. There's a picture right there of when I did like just the dark hair, and those turned out good too. For that one, I was going for more of like an Ocean's 8 Rihanna faux lock look, so they were supposed to be big and chunky. I like those, but I use Cuban twist hair for that one. Okay, first things first, make sure you put the crochet hook underneath the base of your braid, not like at the top like I just did. Do it a lot better than me, please. Now, I like to twist that part of the Kiki twist hair just because of the fact that when I pull the crochet hook through my roots, I want to make sure that none of that hair comes off of that hook and everything comes through. It just makes it a whole lot cleaner process. Trust me, you do not want that hair to start slipping off. It just makes everything a hot mess. Now we're going to take that loop. You can make it as big or small, however is easier for you. We're going to take the remainder of that hair as well as your braid or twist that you did and pull both of those through that loop. And this helps us so that you're making sure that the lock is actually secure in your hair, so it's not going anywhere. She's stuck on there for life.
I said it again. Hey, what we is? Faux lifer.
But for real though, she's gonna be nice and secure, so you have nothing to worry about. She's not gonna slip anywhere. It's gonna be fine, girl, I promise. And now it's time to get the wrapping. I like to keep the shortest part along the braid, and the longest part is what I use to start wrapping. And wrap it nice and tight. You can never be too tight. It's gonna loosen up. And a good tip is just to find your rhythm. Don't do it too fast. Don't do it too slow. You drive yourself crazy. Just find the right rhythm for you and then repeat those steps. It's like when in The Office, like, you know that one episode when they're learning CPR and I'm trying to teach Michael how to do CPR and they'll fly to the beat of Staying Alive. Now it's his rhythm. Find your own song to do your rhythm to.
Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive.
So now I'm going to show you guys how I add on another piece of hair. So if you pinch this for a minute, it's not going to go nowhere. So pinch it a little bit so you can get its place. And just for reference, like I was saying, you see how long this lock is right here. But currently, this lock is at this length. So we have to bring this second piece of hair to be long enough to reach that length. The different colors and then the black's in the middle, so you have to like really stretch it out so it won't just look weird when you go to wrap it. And so you take this, I'm going to stretch it and leave about this much of the hair out, like this. And now you're going to put it a little bit higher than where you stopped the lock. So the lock that I made previously stopped right here, so I'm putting the fake hair like right there. And then from there, you just start wrapping all over again. So you wrap up a little bit, you wrap down, and like, it can literally be as neat or as messy as you want it to be. Now you see that we have this lock all the way right here. We have this lock right here. Basically, you just keep repeating that process. But let's just say for now, time being, that you want to end it at this length. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna twist the end like this, just like how we twisted it before, and then you're gonna fold it up. So you have the little loop. So twist, fold, and now what you're gonna do is just wrap it upwards, however you want it to wrap. And this part should be the tightest part that you wrap it up with. So like that. And then this is the last piece of hair right there that isn't tied. So just take it however, wrap it. If you want to wrap it, go back down with it, you can go back down with it. If you want to go back up with it, you can go back up with it. Whatever you want. And then you have a completed lock. And so this is the lock that we just did together. And you see how nice it looks. It's not going to come out anytime soon. Have no worries. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also share this video out to anybody you know would benefit from watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you do end up trying my method or not, or what method you prefer to use. And also leave down any kind of video ideas you have for me. What do you want to see from me? Adios. Let's subscribe. Goodbye.